Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google are rolling out new updates to Google Search to help you with math and science problems, especially for learners who are trying to solve trickier math problems, according to Google and that announcement dated the 30th of October. Now, what this is all about is that Google has now said they have made advancements in their large language models, where you are now able to also get help with word problems, starting with many fundamental topics from high school physics. And this will help you identify the known and unknown values and understand which formulas to use and when. So just a practical example. If we enter Math Solver into search and obviously head over to that, here we can see Google's Math Solver, where you can obviously enter a maths problem, which the Math Solver will solve for you. And this is very similar to Microsoft's Math Solver, which we have featured previously on the channel, but it comes with a couple of improvements. So as mentioned, it includes the Math Solver. There's also a word problem solver, a geometry problem solver, and we also get some 3D models, which we'll take a look at shortly. Now, I'm going to use the exact same example that Google used from that announcement. A cyclist accelerates down a hill from 22 miles per second to a speed of 37 miles per second in 2 seconds. What is the acceleration? So let's click on that, and here we go. And Math Solver shows you how to solve it, and then we can go through all the different steps. Identify knowns and unknowns, identify the related formula, input variables, solve and simplify. There we go. Check unit of measurement, and here we get the solution. So very helpful if you are a student. And I must be honest, back in the day when I was at school, I wish we had something so useful back then. But nonetheless, this should be very helpful for students and the like. And those different word problem solvers, geometry problem solvers, and the Math Solver as mentioned. Now, something else to take note of is that there's also now new 3D models. And what this is all about, just a brief explanation, is that Google has added 3D interactive diagrams to search alongside definitions and overviews of around about 1,000 biology, chemistry, physics, astronomy, and related different topics. And the 3D models help visualize complex concepts. For example, you could see a 3D model of mitochondria and mitochondrion, as we're going to use in this example, to see the inner membranes or folds. So I'm going to click on View in 3D, and there we go. So you can obviously zoom in and zoom out, and you can obviously move that around in 3D, and it gives you the overview. And you can click on the matrix and view that, the membrane, and the ribosomes as mentioned, and you get the general idea. So you can basically just view 3D interactive diagrams and definition overviews of, as mentioned, approximately 1,000 biology, chemistry, physics, and astronomy and related topics now in Google Search. So quite a lot going on with these improvements to Google Search. And as mentioned, that's from Google's announcement, more help with math and science problems in search. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.